Hey everybody, Dave here. Today we're going to do one of everybody's guilty pleasures, the MCRIB, but we'll be doing it with these beautiful spare ribs, backyard barbecue style. Let's get it started. We want to use the spare ribs because they give us a nice, fatty meat, and so when we cook it a little longer, so the bones will come right out. So we cut the back off. We're going to then make it just clean in the front and back so it fits perfectly in our sandwich. So now to get the membrane off, I just use a butter knife to wiggle in. Then I wiggle my finger in there, get it all the way through. This one's got a little rip in it, so it'll take a couple times. You just continue to get all this membrane off. Okay, now for this, you can use your favorite rub. I like my rub with heat and sweet mixed in. We're gonna coat this heavily. Getting all sides. And then we're gonna throw this on the smoker, low and slow. I throw it on, I give it 45 minutes, then I give it a 50-50 apple cider vinegar water spritz, and then I do that every half hour for 3 hours, and then I wrap them another couple hours, and then we're ready to make our MCRIB. Okay, there's beautiful rubs on it. It's time to go on the smoker, low and slow. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. We're gonna do our first spritz with apple cider vinegar and water. We'll do this every 30 minutes after this until we wrap. Okay, the ribs are almost ready. They smell incredible over there. I'm gonna grill my onions. I know on a MCRIB they don't grill them, but they should. Okay, so we've been spritzing the ribs every half hour, taking them off the smoker. Right now, I'll give them one last spritz. Again, 50-50 apple cider vinegar and water. We take our butter, we lay it out on top. I always use real butter and lots of it. I'm just gonna roll this over on top. Smash that in, wrap it up nice and tight, and this is gonna go back in on the smoker for about 2 hours, maybe 2.5, face down, and then we'll be pulling the bones and making our MCRIB. So we're gonna do the toothpick test. When I'm normally doing my ribs, once you don't feel a little pull, we want these to be really tender so we can just slide the bone out, so we're gonna leave it on for 15 more minutes. I love grilled onions. They're gonna be so good on this. Another thing I know they don't do with the MCRIB, but they should toast the bun. I'm gonna put a little butter on it, throw it on the plancha, let it crisp up. And by a little butter, I mean a lot of butter. The inside and the top and bottom. Oh, the ribs are smelling so good over there. That is exactly how the bun should look. Beautiful buttered toast. Oh my, if you could only smell what I'm smelling. And now I cook these a little longer than I normally would. Now I can just twist the bones and they pop right out. I'm gonna first take a little layer of the grilled onions and even put some of that on the bottom. Some pickles on the bottom as well. Throw this on top. Holy cow. Now that's the top of a sandwich. Now we're gonna take our little spicy and little bold barbecue sauce. We're gonna coat that heavily. These ribs don't even need it, but this will be a nice touch to the sandwich. Gonna finish off with all these onions going over top. Now loaded with pickles. You can never have too many pickles. That looks amazing. I'm gonna put the top on, give it a slice, and dive in. Oh, it just cuts through like butter too, these ribs. Look at that. These might not fit in the box, but oh man, I'm diving in hard. My, so good. That rib just melts in your mouth. The grilled onions, pickles. the barbecue sauce, all this goes together. You've got to give this a try. Make one of these for yourself and spread love through barbecue. Thanks so much for joining me on this cook. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you want to see cooked next.